No, and we talked about this last night. Our major rivers were already under flood warnings, which means they're running high. And so you add a couple of inches of rain on top of that, the water's going to continue to rise. So we encourage you, if you live in a flood-prone area, definitely take this seriously, especially when we go into nighttime hours. Very difficult to see that high water at night.
Right.
Officially in Indianapolis, just under 3/4 of an inch of rain. We did get some of those higher totals leading to the flooding across parts of Johnson County, where we're in the range of 1 to 2 inches of rain. Down toward Bedford and Bloomington, into the Spencer and Ellettsville areas, 1 to 3 inches of rain. And we have the potential for an additional inch or two out of what's coming our way tonight. So we want to make sure that you're weather aware. With the flood watch and those rivers under flood warnings, the wind advisory in effect for tomorrow, the flooding threat will continue. High water, again, if you live in an area and you're used to getting high water, just be prepared. It's coming tonight and early tomorrow. Wind gusts tomorrow, especially during the early half of the day, 40 to 50 miles per hour. Now, this is live Doppler 13 radar showing some of the steady light rain that we're dealing with from Indianapolis southeast to Shelbyville into Franklin and Martinsville. We'll go south of this location. We have steady rain falling in Hope, in Greensburg, North Vernon and Seymour, into Ellettsville, Bloomington, Bloomfield. But expanding the view, you can see the really heavy rain is still building down to our southwest, near the Evansville area, and then towards St. Louis, and then south, where we're actually under tornado watches across parts of East Texas into Louisiana, southwestern Arkansas, thanks to this line of storms. Thinking this line stays just to our south with that greater risk of severe weather south of the Ohio River, but we can't rule out a gusty thunderstorm south of Indianapolis overnight and early tomorrow. Future Track 13 shows the rain that we're going to be dealing with overnight and early tomorrow. Join us at 11. We'll be tracking the rain, most likely a few rumbles of thunder. Again, that severe threat for most of us stays to the south, and then this line of rain and storms starts to move out. We're left with a few showers and very windy conditions during the day tomorrow. Remember those wind gusts, 40 to 50 miles per hour. If you want to feel the 50s, you're going to have to get up early on Saturday. We'll start the day in the 50s and then spend most of the afternoon in the 40s. Can't rule out some additional spotty showers, and northern part of the state, that rain may mix with a few flakes of snow. We then turn our attention to a much quieter weather pattern that starts to arrive for the end of the weekend and the early part of next week. So just stay with us, stay weather aware, and be prepared for some high water the next 24 hours or so. And those rivers, by the way, will stay high in the coming days. This is your Sunday forecast. A colder start will be in the 30s, but should end up in the mid-50s for highs for the end of the weekend. 54, but that will happen early in the day. The heavy rain between now and about 8 a.m. A couple of spotty showers left. Very windy conditions tomorrow. As we head into Sunday, 56. Slight rain chance late Sunday into early Monday. We're back into the 60s at the end of the 7-day.
It'd be nice to see those 60s back. Thank you so much, Angela.